How do I adjust the settings for my USB headset on Xbox One?
Hello, Xbox enthusiasts. Today, we are going to explore how to adjust the settings for your USB headset on your Xbox One. Whether you want to tweak the audio levels or customize your voice chat options, we've got you covered.
Is your headset compatible?
First things first, ensure your USB headset is compatible with the Xbox One. Unfortunately, not all USB headsets can work with Xbox One due to system restrictions, so you need to verify this before proceeding.
Connecting your USB headset.
Once you're sure your headset is compatible, the next step is to plug it into the Xbox One console. This is typically done through one of the USB ports on the front or back of the console. When correctly plugged in, the Xbox One should recognize your headset immediately.
Adjusting audio settings.
Now, let's dive into adjusting your settings. 1. Navigate to the Settings menu. From the home screen, press the Xbox button on your controller to open the guide. Then, move to the right until you reach System, and then down to Settings. 2. Find the audio options. Once in the Settings menu, select General, then Volume and Audio Output. 3. Customize your headset audio. Here you'll find options like Headset Volume, Headset Chat Mixer, and Mic Monitoring. Each of these settings can be adjusted according to your preferences. 4. Headset Volume. This controls the overall volume of the sounds coming through your headset. 5. Headset Chat Mixer. This adjusts the balance of game audio versus chat audio. If you want to hear more of your game and less of your friends, move this slider towards the game side. If you want to prioritize chat, move it towards the chat side. 6. Mic Monitoring. This allows you to hear your own voice through the headset. If you find it distracting, you can lower this setting. Remember, the changes you make will take effect immediately, so you can test the different settings and find what works best for you.
Troubleshooting issues.
If you're having trouble getting your headset to work, try the following steps. 1. Check the headset connection. Make sure it is securely plugged into the USB port. 2. Verify if the headset is muted. If your friends can't hear you, your mic might be muted. 3. Test the headset on another device. This can help determine if the problem is with the headset itself or the Xbox. That's all there is to it. You now know how to adjust the settings for your USB headset on your Xbox One. We hope this guide has been helpful, and remember to adjust your settings as needed to ensure the best gaming experience. Happy gaming!